Hi friends, good morning. This is Subramanian. This video I am going to explain how to record your purchase orders and done. Okay. This video I am going to give a link to download this file. Once you download it, click here, then properties, then click here, uncheck this, unblock, unblock, then apply, then OK. Okay, that's over. Now I am opening this file. My computer is dead slow, so please be patient. Wait for a moment, please. So here I am going to enter one more entry, that is 1012. Okay, 1012. Here I am entering the data. Say 29 9 2025. Let it be the same date here. Here enter the party name here. Let it be for time being. Okay, address. Okay, whatever it is, address. Type, then shift enter. Sorry, you can type continuously, that is kept in word wrap. This also this is this address. This is the address actually. So is equal this one, and say number 2. Okay, let it be. Now here I am entering 2, then 1, then 2, then 2. Here I am entering this one, enter this one. Okay, then I am pasting this one. So the total amount is 2500, not coming there. 1150 plus this one into this one. Okay, 207. This is the amount. Okay, 1150. Here 1150. Okay, then 20 rupees. Then the tax rate, that is 18%. This is the tax amount. Okay, once you put one, the amount has to change. 850. Okay, then let's say the amount. Okay, if you want to change to, the amount has to be vary. Okay, once you click all these details, you just generate PDF. To generate PDF, my PDF will not open immediately, so be patient. If you want to save this file, you can click on save this file. Save data. So 1012 has been updated. 1012 has been updated. Okay. Now I am going to check my PDF. Whether it is, yeah, this is one. My computer is damn dead slow. I don't know what is the reason. See, this is the invoice number, this is the amount, okay. The PO number, PO date, 40. This is excellent, you know. Wait for 2 days, I am going to provide a download link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.